How to hydrate your skin in 5 minutes. An instant way to get hydration is by using a softening lotion. This is kind of your prep for your serum, but you'll notice a big difference in the way your product absorbs when you use a softener or a toner. Follow with your serum. I like this serum because it has hyaluronic acid and other ingredients that really do help with the skin hydrating and, more importantly, helping with the texture of the skin. An easy way to get 2 minutes of hydration is to use the Medicube Jelly Collagen Moisturizer. This I put all over the face. I use a big dollop, like a quarter size amount. I place it on the face and then I do a mini face massage. This really does help with moving that product into the skin, helping with the circulation in the skin, and my skin's getting hydrated at the same time. It feels really good in coating to the skin, so it's an instant way to get hydration daily, and it only takes about 2 minutes to do this. Hydration is when your skin is needing water. It's different than a moisturizer, so sometimes just drinking a lot of water at the same time is going to help with the hydration inside, and it does reflect on the outside. So make sure to drink water. That's an instant way to get that hydration. I always do a glass in the morning, a glass in the evening, and then try to continue throughout the day. Now remember, when you take time for yourself in the morning and the evening just with your skincare routine, it makes a difference in the way you feel. It's almost like a meditation for me, but I highly recommend everybody do that, women and men, because sometimes just that morning, just taking care of your skin just resets and balances you for the day. This is really a lot about self-care, taking the time for yourself, and really, getting that me time. I always recommend 5 minutes of skincare in the daytime and then 5 minutes of skincare in the evening. Now, don't forget the neck. We always want to make sure that we're hydrating and moisturizing the neck area as well. It takes years off just by having a nice layer of moisture. I really do love the way this moisturizer feels on my skin, the Medicube. The only thing is that it's a little sticky, so at nighttime I will leave it on after this, but if I'm gonna still put makeup on, I do remove it with a wet washcloth, and I just kind of just remove it gently. It's just something that I just don't wanna keep on all day, but it is a beautiful product to do facial massage with. Lots of moisturizers also provide hydration, moisture, and then other anti-aging ingredients in it. I'm using the Lancôme moisturizer. This feels really nice and it doesn't dry up immediately. My skin absorbs it. It really does like the texture of this, and my makeup goes on smoothly after this. So this is a cream and I do it all over the face. I spread it within my fingers and then I pack it on all over the face and then I blend it out, massage it in. Don't forget the eye area. I really love this essence because it's kind of a prep. This is something that'll keep my skin hydrated throughout the day, or my eye area hydrated. Some sunscreens are just great to seal in the product, and a lot of times when we're out in the sun, that dehydrates our skin. So if you ever notice you're out in the sun and your skin, it feels dry or tight, or it's like air chapped, wind chapped. So using a sunscreen really does help protect your skin from getting dehydrated throughout the day. Now, don't forget to drink water and take care of the inside of your skin as well. Just taking 5 minutes a day to help with your skin to get reset and balanced with hydration and moisture. I love adding vitamin E capsule to the lip. I pop the capsule and I place it directly on my lips. And then at the same time, the body needs hydration as well. And thanks so much for watching this video.